Bagsak presyo kasi ang mga competitors ko. Paano kung dahilan mo lang yan kasi wala kang alam? During one of my seminars, may ginawa akong experiment. Pinakita ko yung phone ko. Second hand iPhone 14. Ilang years na sa akin. Hindi na bago. At tinanong ko,
Magkano nyo to bibilhin?
so, pababahan sila ng presyo. 30,000, 10,000, may 1,000 na lang. Bakit? Kasi para sa kanila, commodity lang ito. Pwede lang bilhin kahit saan. Tama. Pero alam mong ginawa ko? Sabi ko,
When you buy my phone, you're also gonna get the following.
number one, you're gonna get my personal Viber number so you can ask me questions anytime to help you grow your business. Second, you're gonna get all my books and courses. I spent over 10 million buying every single course and book in the world, and you get access to that in my phone. Third, you're gonna get my seminar notes. I have flown to multiple countries around the world to steal the best marketing strategies from different people, and I'm going to give you my personal notes, including what worked and what didn't work. And lastly, fourth, you're gonna get my contacts. You're gonna get all my contacts, including introductions to them. So if you're looking for an investor, a mentor, a client, a supplier, baka I have all the network that you need. Lahat yan kasama sa phone na binibenta ko. At ngayon, nag-iisa lang siya sa buong mundo. Ngayon, ito yung tanong ko ulit sa'yo. Magkano mo na siya bibilhin? Ang malupit dito, sa seminar ko, may nagbid nga ng 1 million pesos. It's the same second-hand iPhone 14. From 1,000 pesos, nagiging 1 million pesos. So, what changed? All I did is just increase the perceived value of this phone, and suddenly, you're now willing to pay more for this. Ngayon, paano kung ganito rin ang nangyari sa negosyo mo? Kasi sinasabi mong,
Bagsak presyo kasi mga competitors ko. Namamahalan kasi mga clients ko. Kailangan ko magbaba ng presyo.
pero ang totoo, hindi presyo ang problema. It's just that, parehas lang kayo ng competitors mo sa mata ng customer. Kaya, presyo na lang ang pinag-aawayan nyo. But once you acquire the skill of increasing the perceived value, your clients will be willing to throw money at you para mauna lang sila sa linya.